Assalamu alaikum class and good morning. I am Miss Bizatul Hassan. Today is 2nd of December and I welcome you all in the first online lecture of computer science. I hope all of you and your family are safe at home. So without any delay, let's get started. Please take out your computer science books titled Stepping Stone for grade 2. Now please come to the page number 105. We are going to study a new chapter today. The name of the chapter is My First Article. What we are going to study in this chapter is Microsoft Word. So what is this? If you want to type anything using computer system, you need a software. The best practice software is Microsoft Word. So hold your pencils in your hand. Let's start reading. Task number 1. Work with text. It's time for formatting. Text editors like Microsoft Word let you modify your text to make it more interesting and understandable. So, first of all, what we are going to learn is how to select your text in Microsoft Word. Then, how to open a home tab. Secondly, how to bold your text. How to make your text italic. And last one, how to underline your text. So all of these tasks are usable and we are going to study them all. Come on the next page, page number 106. At the end of this lecture, you are able to understand that how to highlight your text. So without any delay, let's come on the Microsoft Word software on the computer system. So class, this is the overview of Microsoft Word Home tab. You can see multiple tools in the Home tab, but we are going to study few ones today. The tools which we are going to study are enclosed in the red box. In the left corner, you can see capital B, capital I and capital U. If you click and drag your mouse on the written text, it will be selected. So if you want to use any of these tools, you need to select your text first. Capital B is for bold text, capital I is for italic and capital U is for underlining your text. Here is the example of how to bold your text. So after selection, if you press the button B on the left corner of the Home tab, the text gets bold. It means it will be more prominent and more visible to you. Secondly, if you press I after selection, the text gets italic. It means the text will be tilted slightly. The third one is underline. After selecting your text, if you press capital U on the left corner of the Home tab, a line appears under the text. It means the text is underlined. The last one is text highlight. So after the selection, if you want to press this AB tool on the Home tab, you can see different colors. So if you press this tool, the text gets highlighted. Okay class, this is all for today's lecture. Hope all of you get understood. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.